Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make kimchi green onion. First, gather your fresh green onions, ensuring they are vibrant and firm. This delicious fermented side dish, also known as pa kimchi, combines the crispness of green onions with a bold, spicy seasoning. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a traditional Korean flavor with a relatively simple process, perfect for any home cook. This kimchi is known for its unique tangy taste and is rich in probiotics. Next, let's prepare our ingredients. You'll need approximately 1.5 pounds of fresh green onions, trimmed and washed. For the flavorful paste, gather about 1/2 cup of Korean red pepper flakes, also known as gochugaru, along with 1/3 to 1/2 cup of fish sauce. Don't forget minced garlic and ginger, about 1 tablespoon each, to build that essential savory base. Some recipes also use a small amount of cooked rice or sweet rice flour to help bind the paste. Now for the exciting part, mixing. First, soak the white parts of your green onions in about 1/3 cup of fish sauce for around 30 minutes, turning occasionally. While they soak, blend 1/4 cup of water with 1/4 cup of cooked rice, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 inch of ginger until smooth. Then, combine this rice mixture with 1/2 cup of gochugaru and 1 tablespoon of sugar to create your vibrant kimchi paste. Finally, coat each green onion thoroughly with this delicious paste. Once your green onions are coated, transfer them to an airtight container. For initial fermentation, leave the container at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, 1 day in warmer climates, 2 in cooler ones. Afterward, move it to the refrigerator, where it will continue to ferment for another 2 to 7 days, depending on your preferred level of sourness. This kimchi will stay fresh for a few weeks in the fridge, ready to be enjoyed as a flavorful side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.